going to show you how tools in ArcGIS Pro 2.2 can help you proactively manage our rapidly changing cities. Let's take a look at a recent development in Redlands, California. Here are the building footprints, sidewalks, and curbs. Adding labels provides an accurate picture of who is there today. With the label expression, I can use the Find Text tool to generate new annotation from multiple fields in the building layer. Quick, easy, and accurate. To complete my map and add in important details, I can use a parking spot preset along with a grid to quickly snap into place a new parking spot. To generate the remaining parking spot, I can use the Copy Parallel tool in the Editor toolbar to generate multiple copies from a single feature. With editing tools in ArcGIS Pro, I can then add in additional parking spots along with the green space. This site plan now represents the latest as-built information. The next step is to model it in 3D. So let's focus on one of the newest buildings in the area. By copying and pasting the 2D feature into a multi-patch layer, it's now ready for editing in 3D. The first thing I want to do is add height to the building. Using the Vertices editor, I get the option to hover over the polygon and extrude the building. Here, let's extrude to 6 meters. Next, I want to add more detail to my model and add real-life textures using one of the newest tools in ArcGIS Pro, the Multi-Patch Texture tool. Very simply, I can load in photos taken on an iPhone and apply them to the walls of the building we've just extruded. I can do this for each side of the building, adjusting and scaling to get it just right. And while it's easy enough to walk around the building and capture photos of the sidewalls, getting access to the roof is just a little bit trickier. But by using aerial imagery, I can pull up the roof texture and apply it just as I did to the sidewalls. Now, one of the defining features of this district is its design. Using the Vertices editor in ArcGIS Pro, I can add in architectural elements to help transform my building. Using the built-in constraints, I can then lower the roof, creating a building edge. I can also add in skylights, a key element of the building. By bringing the ledge up and dragging the sides, I can create the angle of the skylight quickly. And notice that the edits work with the textures so that the details pop without any distortions. I can then add in a doorway, pushing back the entrance. Whoops. Let me try that again. Pushing back the entrance, creating a realistic entryway to the building. Editing in 3D has never been easier. I can then build out the rest of the development to give me a comprehensive view of the district in 3D. Fast analytical tools can be used to inform where to place a sign on the roof of a building, to advertise to those driving by on the highway. Using the interactive viewshed analysis, with a simple click, I can create a viewshed. Everything in green is what can be seen from the observer point. And notice the sign stays green as I mimic the driver driving along the highway, making this an optimal placement for maximum visibility. And now that I have a beautiful 3D model of the commercial center, I can share this out. I can share the scene to ArcGIS Online and email out a link to my colleagues. Instantly transporting anybody to the commercial center. No plugins required, so that anybody can navigate throughout the scene with just the tips of their fingers, holding the entire world in the palm of their hands. The latest release of ArcGIS Pro gives you the power and tools to help you map the rapid changes in our world and your communities. Thank you.